Good morning, everyone. I think this is take 5 or something. This video doesn't want to happen this morning. Kids and dogs and everything else. Yeah, I've been up early. I've been picking on challenge locks this morning. I had a couple of Haribos sent to me by Darren on the Discord. Thank you, mate. I picked another one a minute ago, which I can't see right now. It's around here somewhere. And I've not long opened this one on its second attempt, and it took me a good bit of time, so I'm hoping that it will open up on video in a bit less time this time. It's called Lew-Siffer, yeah, bit of a devil in this one. Haribo making his evil. Works flawlessly as all Harry's locks do. There's the bitting on the key, and it's is number 38. Alright, let's see if it's going to be camera shy or is it going to open up. Top of the keyway is me Wes pull pick. Excuse the background noise. Click on that one. I think that's got more to give. I'll leave it for now. 2 feels soft. 3's binding. Sort of half clicks. I'll leave that for now, come back to it. 4's very tight. We've got a little click out 5 there. A little click out of 6, come back to the start. Everything's dropped then. Sorry, I'm trying to get you a good angle here. We've dropped into a little bit of a false set there. A bit of count on 5 there. I think it's 5 anyway. And 4 dropped us back into the false set. That's 3 now, giving the counter. And gave a little bit and dropped again. Oh, and there we go, we're open. There's number 1 holding this up. It must be quite deep. Let's have a quick look at the key. Yeah, there it is. It was that one that was holding this up. I've done that a much better time than I previously done it. Probably 5 minutes less. This is why we practice first, I suppose. Right, let's see about getting it. I'll try and get a better angle here. Alright, let's lock her back up. We do have a key. I've recently bought some C-clip removers. They're my new favourite toy. They've saved my hands so much. Shim this up. Now there is a couple of things about this lock I did want to talk about. If we can get the shim in and get it gutted. That's going at the angle, that's not right. That's better. I'm gonna follow that. Put that down, come back to it. We've got Good bit of work going on in there. Let's drop these out, and I'll show you afterwards. Loads of serrations on these. Oh, there's a pin and pin at the end. Oh, that goes all the way through. Oh, I've tried to do this many times, and every time I do, it hangs up on the key. See, the bottom half of the pin is all the way through, so that means that the bottom of the top section is what you're actually picking off. As I say, I've literally bricked a couple of locks trying to do this. Can't get it back together now. There you go, look, it comes through the bottom there. Usually it hangs up on the key. I guess because it's in slot 6, that might be why it works. But I believe that's a really good way of doing a pin in pin, because you're just lifting the centre bit first. And there's the core. Undercut in 6, threading, undercut and threading. Lots of work going on in there. Well done, Harry. Let me shim out. Right. There we go. That looks like a GG pin modified, or a Yale or something there, with that extra lip on the top there. Sorry, excuse my big arms going through it. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Lovely pin work there, Harry. Nice deep spool. I believe that comes in these Carl F. I've used a few of these for challenge locks myself. And another one. Sorry, I keep focusing with my eyes rather than looking through the camera. Pins are all very similar at the minute. We'll go from the back now. Oof. Yeah, that nearly jumped across the room. Bit of a serration on there. That'll be wide. Oh. Yeah, well, I'll recover that in a bit. That was one of Harry's super springs at the back there. I shall find that. That's alright. Nice serrated top to that as well. Sorry, the camera's crap this morning. It's bright sunlight. I've got the blind down. It's all fucking with the camera, I'm afraid. And a little copper spring that time. Oh, I have a feeling he wanted that one to overset. Right, what's going on in here? Wow, quite a lot. I'm not sure if you can see, there's threading in one. Is that undercut? Or countermilled rather, undercut, countermilled, same difference. There's lots of threading, and it's 2 and 6 really feel like they're countermill, that's so difficult to do because you have to get your Dremel bit all the way down there. Well, fair play to you, Harry. If you that's not stock. I know you don't get that on a Carl F. Even these plugs, he's got them back as if nothing has ever happened to it. That's pretty nice work, Harry. I make a lot of challenge locks, an awful lot of challenge locks, and I believe I'm quite good at it. However, I don't get things like that back, and I've never managed to countermill a chamber 2. I've sometimes done it in chamber 1 there, just leaning through with your Dremel bit, but I've never managed to do it like that. I think we need to have a conversation, Harry. Something else I can steal from you. Just to show you, I've got one of mine here where I've took the plugs out and put back in. I mean, that's 1, 3 and 5 that I've had out and back in. They're reasonably okay, and the lock works absolutely flawlessly, but I can't get them to go back. He must have a press or something that presses them back in. Anyway, enough waffling. Cracking lock there by Harry, and I think I got a bit lucky there, to be honest, because it took me at least an extra 5 minutes the first time round to get that open. I shall go and hunt for that strong spring now, and thank you all for watching, and keep watching, sharing, liking, and soon we shall have a giveaway. Thank you all, see you all soon.